Here's a place where the monkeys might just steal from you. It's part of the largest country in the EU, but it doesn't have public transportation. It's also home to the European Space Center. And at one time, it was home to what was considered to be the most feared penal colony in the world. Do you know where you are? Today's video is all about French Guiana. Where is French Guiana, and why visit there now? French Guiana, on the map, is in the northeastern part of South America. And officially, it does belong to France. And here comes some of the most curious and fearless tourists in the entire world to see the jungle, Devil's Island. And yes, the spaceport there. And it's all not for nothing, as Devil's Island, French Guiana, or rather, it's unofficially known by that name. It is just one of the islands of the country. By the way, very justified as a nickname. We'll get more into that into this video. Hang out with us as we explore the island and French Guiana, people, place, culture, a little bit of history, and more about the place and why you might want to visit. The capital of French Guiana is the city of Cayenne. At first glance, it's difficult to understand that this city is the capital, all because of the buildings being very shabby. The shopping centers cannot necessarily be called modern. The beaches in the capital city are dirty and muddy in a way, not suitable for really swimming in the waters. And this is despite the fact that the money from the French budget is invested in the development. This naturally influenced the cultural traditions of the country, but during the entire period of Guyana's stay under French rule, the European culture also had a significant impact on the country as well. French Guiana is on the map, and it might be far from France in South America, but here you will still find French culture and the Catholic faith at the same time. This is especially noticeable on public holidays. So in French Guiana, they celebrate Christmas and Bastille Day. Holidays in the country are very diverse, but they came from different cultures and have become an integral tradition for the local residents. The capital of French Guiana is the city of Cayenne, which is popular for its tourist attractions. For example, the Place de Grenoble, the Museum of Culture, the French Fort's ruins, and even the canal there. It's part of what makes this part of the world very unique. People come to the capital for excursions and walks. And it's the most populated city in the land, where about 100,000 French Guiana people live. And compared to the rest of the country, this is one of the most civilized cities in the entire country. So if you need supermarkets, cinemas, or various service centers, it's better to travel to the capital. Moving forward through the rest of the land. Beach holidays in French Guiana are also available. Not far from the capital is one of the most popular and beautiful beaches on the entire Atlantic coast. This is where you'll find the golden sands and a pleasant breeze almost year-round. Tourists and locals come here for the surfing, underwater surfing, and fishing. If you haven't surfed before, there are local tourist instructors who will teach you the basic rules of surfing and get you on your way. In addition, there are often strong winds that attract windsurfers. And in the middle of the summer, the De Monagal beach can actually close for sea turtles. In general, this place is suitable for spending time in the ocean. It's one of the few places in the world that these sea turtles visit, so you understand if they close them down for their fame. This way they remain undisturbed, but you should know you probably yourself don't want to swim here since the water is not as clean and beautiful with the constant waves. Now, if you're looking for picturesque, you might want to try Mount Jolly Beach. It's suitable for photos, and often you'll see models on the shore, because this area is known for beautiful seascapes. If you enjoy sea turtles and other wildlife in French Guiana is the main attraction that pulls many people in, which attracts thousands of tourists with cameras at the ready. Kahu is a nature reserve there, with home to relatives of crocodiles, black caimans, and many varieties of birds not native to any place in the world but here. Kahu swamps held a variety of swamp inhabitants, such as yellow or purple frogs, which are also poisonous. And here, they actually go on day and night extreme excursions, get on special boats, and spend the night in Indian huts. This type of wildlife recreation, if it sounds intriguing, can be tried in the country, where wildlife is available in all of its glory and untouched in many parts of the land. The reserve can be reached in about 2 hours from the capital. In addition to the reserve, you can also visit the zoos there, which is home to more than 450 animals of different species. You can meet anteaters, funny sloths, fearsome jaguars, crocodiles, and a large number of birds at the zoo, including colorful parrots of different sizes. The fauna of French Guiana is very rich, and you'll definitely need to go there to see all the amazing wild animals up close. If you love animals, have you ever seen a squirrel monkey? This species lives here in the territory, and on the desert island, you'll see it's a beautiful place for these little monkey animals. You can get to them from the capital directly by boat, and the road is only half an hour. So why might you want to visit? The animals. Despite the fact that monkeys are cute, you should be on your guard with them. They do steal things. Visiting the island itself in a separate excursion that's offered for tourists is recommended. In addition to photos with the monkeys, you can have a picnic here, as well as swim on a small but clean beach. Monkey Island is a great place for family holidays and exploring the wildlife of French Guiana. Now, enjoy some more amazing scenes. Help make French Guiana a very unique and beautiful place on the planet. If you like visiting new places, and check out one of our other videos as we tour the globe.